To check your transaction history on Vontobel, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the platform efficiently. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Vontobel website and enter your login credentials. Make sure to use your registered email and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Access the transactions section. Look for tab or link labeled transactions or transaction history on the dashboard. Click on it to proceed to the transaction details. Step 4. Select date range. In the transactions section, you may have the option to filter your history by date. Choose the specific date range for which you want to view transactions. Step 5. Review your transactions. After applying any filters, review the list of transactions displayed. You can usually see details like date, amount, and type of transaction. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Vontobel. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.